Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this video, this one number 2 exponents. The first one was about the product rule and this one about the quotient division. So here if we have numerator and denominator, how to simplify. So if we have x, okay, we have x power n, and here divide by x power n equal to, see students, if we said x power 5 divide by x squared, so x5 is mean x times x times x times x 5 times x squared x times x, a clear x times x with x times x. So then let x times 3 times. So x cubed x5 over x squared x cubed. There's no need to write the details. The rule says that xn over xm x raised to n minus m. See, in this example, repeat example, number 1. So I have x5 over x squared is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Another example. Now, example 2. If I said x20 over x4 equal to, so now how to simplify? X raised to 20 minus 4. So x equal to what? To 60. Another example. Okay, write it here. Another example. See, if we said y to power 30 divide by y power 10 equal to y 30 minus 10 is equal to y 20. Okay, so here again, if we look at the rule, if we return back to the rule, here what we said, xn over xm students, yani the same x. If different, no, we can't. What mean different? And for example, if I said, for example, x squared over y cubed, is x and y are different. The first one, see the first one is x here, and the base, the division, the denominator, y. Y, so now the same. What you have to do, we can't now. Simply can't subtract the power, what the power is. So now, and sometimes you have a multiplication with the division. For example, now, if I said x power 4 times x power 2 times x power 7 divide by x power 5 times x power 6 equal what here? So the answer is for the numerator, okay, for the numerator, what we have, numerator, here now again the question. So the question, the solution is, I have x4 times x squared, x7 divide by x5 and x6 equal to numerator. Numerator is 4 I have plus 2 plus 7. So equal what? So we have x over, this one is 13. 4 plus 2 plus 7, 13. Denominator, x5 plus 6. Rule number 1, the product rule, we add the power. So it will be 11. Now I have x13 over x11, so it will be x squared. X squared. Okay, another example. If we have, for example, m4 times t squared multiplied by m7 multiplied by t8 divided by, let us say, t power 6 and m power 5. See, students, now this is m here. Here I have m. So equal to, how to simplify this one? Now I can write this one, m4 times m7 together. and multiply by, we have t squared t8 together. Why? Because, for example, if we said A times B is the same B times A. And for example, if I said 2 times 5, which is 10, is the same if I said 5 times 2, also 10. AB equal BA. 2 by 5, 10, or 5 by 2, also 10. Same now, this one. Okay, so this one are the same. Now this one, what I did here, I switch M with T, so I write it M7, and the second one, T squared. Now, over denominator, that is T6 and M5, M5. Okay, so is equal to, now M4 plus 7, 11, and here T power 10, 10 over here. This is the same. I corrected M5 and T6 doesn't matter because I said A, B, B, A are the same. I correct this one M5, and the second is T6. As we said, A times B is the same B times A. Okay, students. So now this one is equal to, now 11, M11 over M5, because it's multiplication, it will be M11 minus 5. And the second one, T, because remember this one, the quotient, say XM over XM. T10 over 10, 6 will be 10 minus 6. So then equal to M, this one 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. And this one, T, the power 10 minus 6, it is equal to 4. Repeating from the beginning. M4 times M7, C equal what? See now this one, M4 times, you have times, M7 equal what? M11. Why? Because 4 plus 7, multiplication. So explain in the first one, video first one about the exponent. So there is no plus. If a plus will be problem or minus. So this one product. Then the second one, well, the second one, T. T squared times T8, T power 10. T power 10. Okay. Now we have the product we have 11 by 10. Why 11? Again, why 11? So now M4, M7 is M11. See, written here, 4 plus 7. And T squared times T8, T10. Now 11, M11 over M5, because this product and division can be separated. If plus minus, now we can't. Now 11 minus 5. Why 11 minus 5? Because we have division. And we have to subtract 11 minus 5 equal to what? Equal to 6, the answer. Now 10 and 6, T10 and T6, the same base, T and T, like M with M, T with T, will be T10 minus 6, which is T power 4. Now the final answer is M6 multiplied by T power 4. Okay, students. Now if I have, for example, now if I said 2 power 3 times 2 power 4 times 2, let us say power 5, for example, divide by, that I said T squared, for example. Now this one is equal to T, we have 3 plus 4, 7. So 3 plus 4, 7, plus 5, 12. So we have 2, 12 over 2 squared, over 2 squared. Then equal to will be 2 power 12 minus 2, which is 2 power 10, which is equal to 1024. 1024. I'm repeating again. 2 cube times 2 4 times 2 5. So it'll be 2 to the power will be, see, I have 2 cube multiplied by 2 power base is the same base. Product, we add 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. And I have over 2 squared. Okay, so now we have 212 numerator over 2 squared. What about the power? So the power will be 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. 2 power 10 is 1024.